If you are preparing for a UI UX interview, it's important to understand one thing very clearly. Interviewers are not just testing your design skills, they are trying to understand how you think, how you communicate, and how you work with others. Hi, I'm Chitra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the main categories of UI UX interview questions and what interviewers are actually evaluating in each one of them. If you are looking for structured guidance, I've added a link in the description of an institute that can help you with further assistance as well. The interview usually starts with questions about you and your journey because this is where first impressions are formed. You might be asked to introduce yourself, talk about how you got into UI UX, why you chose design over other fields, or what kind of designer you want to become in future. These questions are not about right or wrong answers. Interviewers are checking your clarity of thought, your motivation, and how well you can communicate your story. Next comes the most important part of the interview, your portfolio and your case studies. Expect detailed questions here. You may be asked to walk through one of your case studies, explain why you chose that problem, what the biggest UX challenge was, and what you would do differently today, or which project you are most proud of. At this stage, interviewers are looking at your thinking, your sense of ownership, and your ability to reflect your own work. Honestly, not just the final screens. After that, interviewers usually dive into UX process and design thinking. They may ask how you approach a design problem, how you validate your designs, how you decide what to design first, or how you balance your needs with business goals. These questions test whether your thinking is structured and realistic and whether you understand how design works in real-world scenarios. You will also get questions around research and your understanding, even if you are a junior or intern. Interviewers might ask how you conduct research with limited resources, how you create personas, what research method you have used, or how you know if your design works. They are not looking for textbook definitions. They want to see practical thinking and honest decision making. Then come questions related to UI and visual design. These are usually lighter but still very important. You may be asked how you ensure visual consistency, how you chose colors and typography, or what makes a good UI according to you. This helps interviewers understand your design fundamentals, visual taste, and clarity of thinking. Another very common area today is design systems and Figma. Interviewers often ask what a design system is, whether you have worked with one, how you create reusable components in Figma, and how you maintain consistency across multiple screens. These questions help them assess how ready you are to work in a team and scale design. Collaboration is also a big focus. You will likely be asked how you handle feedback, to describe a time when your design was challenged, or how you worked with developers and product managers. Through these questions, interviewers are checking your maturity, openness to feedback, and ability to collaborate without ego. In later rounds, you may face problem-solving or whiteboard questions, such as designing a food delivery app for a new city, redesigning a checkout flow, or improving an existing product. Here, they are not judging perfection. They are observing how you think under pressure and how clearly you explain your decisions. You will also be asked about constraints and trade-offs. Questions like what you do when timelines are very tight, how you handle conflicting requirements, or what happens when research contradicts your designs are very common. These show whether you are prepared for real-world challenges or not. Interviewers also care deeply about growth and learning. You might be asked how you improve your design skills, who you learn from, or what you learned recently. This helps them understand your long-term potential. Finally, especially in bigger companies, expect behavioral questions about failures, conflicts, or disagreements with stakeholders. These questions reveal your self-awareness and how you handle difficult situations. If you understand all of these categories and prepare for them properly, UI UX interviews become less intimidating. You are no longer guessing what questions will be asked. You know exactly what interviewers are trying to understand about you. I've also added a link in the description of an institute that can help you with all of these. If this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.